Hi friends, Tracy.bish here, Stampin' Up demonstrator in Australia. Welcome to my channel. I'm super excited to be sharing with you a card that I created this week for Tracy's Sunday Challenge. Now the theme this week is ombre, so you've got plenty of time to still join in, and I really hope that you will. I've actually taken a couple of new products. So I've got the Stampin', what is it called? Swirled Designs dies. That's an online exclusive, and I've got the lovely arrangements stamp set, which is in the new mini catalogue. I've used those two products to create this card. I've got my basic white thick cardstock base, and then I've got a strip of basic white thick cardstock. It measures 2.5 by the length of the card base, which is I think 5 7/8 from memory. I've already die cut some of these shapes. I've used the flower shape from the Swirled Designs dies. I actually really like this set. There's a stamp set and the die bundle, but it's a really cute little flower pattern, and I've actually die cut them from Soft Sea Foam, Lemon Lime Twist, Granny Apple Green, Garden Green, and Mossy Meadow. So I've used my ombre effect from using those colours and the die cuts. So I'm just sort of playing around with my design here. I'm not sure whether I'm going to put the die cuts down the right hand side of the card or put it at the top or the bottom. So I'm just sort of moving these around to work out what I wanted to do for my card base. Now I've also used the Sending Smiles die from the lovely arrangement stamp set. So this is sort of where I'm trying to work out whether my placement from that sentiment. So I've gone with chucking my die cuts on the right hand side, and then I'm going to use that strip of basic white thick cardstock for my sentiment to go in. And I thought I would do a quick ombre effect with that sentiment as well. So I'm using actually Old Olive, which is not one of the colours that I've used on my ombre effect, which is so funny. I don't know what I was thinking, but I've stamped it 3 times to give you that ombre effect. I really didn't like that 3rd generation stamping, so I turned it over to the back, did it again, and I still didn't like it. So I grabbed another piece of that 2.5 by 5 7/8 cardstock, and I'm stamping the darkest to the lightest from the bottom to the top in that piece. Now I could have, kept it going all the way up, but I've just sort of stamped top, middle, and bottom with those 6 colours. So again, I've used Soft Sea Foam, Lemon Lime Twist, Granny Apple Green, Garden Green, and Mossy Meadow, and in my inks I've used an additional Old Olive in there. I really love greens. As I'm getting older, greens are starting to become my favourite colour. I've always been a blue girl, but I don't know, the greens are really sticking with me right now, and I really like that ombre effect using the die cuts. So there is already a couple of cards created using this week's challenge theme. So go over to my business Facebook page, have a look in the challenge post, and you can see who's created cards so far. I would love it if you joined in. All you need to do is just do an ombre card, Daisy, and take a photo, pop it in the comments section. I've got my daughter's dog here right now, and she's just having a little bit of a sook, so you'll probably hear that in the background. Now there are lots of new products available right now. There are 3 new kit collections available. There's new online exclusives, and the new mini catalogue is also being launched this month. So lots and lots of new products. If you're in need of any Stampin' Up supplies, you can have a look at what's available, as well as purchase through my online store, and there'll be a link in the description of this video, as well as in the comments section down below, or the description below, so you can go and check that out. If you live in Australia, and I would love to be your demonstrator and help you with your creating. I also have some free gifts that I give out to my customers as well, so if you're not already working with a demonstrator, I would love to help you out. Okay, I've also brought in the Dear Dots. These have retired. They were in the holiday catalogue last year, from one of the sweets. Off the top of my head I can't think of it, but they're Garden Green colour, and they just worked really well with this card. So there's the card for today. Thank you so much for spending a bit of time with me. I hope you've enjoyed having a look at this card. Actually, I'm going to stamp the inside as well, so we've got time. I hope that you've enjoyed today's card. If you have, please give me a thumbs up. I would love it if you left me a comment, and if you haven't hit subscribe, please do that as well. I'm really trying to keep up with my Tracy Sunday challenges every week, and if I'm creating a card, I'm going to try and do a video as well, and be a little bit more present with you guys. I really want to be doing a few more lives this year as well, so I'll be back for that. Alright everyone, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all soon. Bye!